What up, folks? So today we're rail fanning in the Crosse, Wisconsin, but not Grand Crossing. Well, we tried to rail fan at Grand Crossing earlier, but we got no luck because I don't know what happened. Maybe they were doing some construction on the track. I don't know. I don't know what caused that error. But I think I saw some trains, but they didn't pass me. And anyways, look at that beautiful sunset. Yeah, I tried to rail fan here earlier, but didn't work out for me because most trains weren't going. I think that was part of that eastbound train that we saw earlier. Got BNSF 511 and 1592 BNSF SD40-2 and another -2 1913. $27, the same temperature as it was. Now there's a car in the way anyway. This is why we're gonna set up somewhere else today. There was a car in my way anyway. No lights today. Well, I'm gonna go back right there Monday. Indian River Transport, uh-oh. Alright. Oops, I pressed the wrong button. I meant to press pause. Anyways, look at the full moon. It's kind of like extremely wobbly. There it is. The moon, the big bright moon. Big bright moon. We're going over the bridge. Over the bridge. Over the bridge. Look at that awesome, awesome and groovy sunsets. Very groovy sunsets. Alright, turn right on 30th Street.
Okay.
Anyways, alright folks, we are almost right at the area. Glendale Park. Sorry if my camera's a little wobbly and my seatbelt became loose. Oh, so crazy. They can't even retract it. Yeah, we're gonna need the seatbelt fixed.
Okay.
When are we gonna be able to fix it?
This week when we take it in for an oil change.
Unfortunately, it might not be fixed till next week. So sorry. Because it's a lot of hard work. And a lot of hard work. And a lot of hard work. We finally made it to Glendale Park. Can you please put this big red bottle in the backpack? Because I'm gonna carry the backpack today. Here it comes. Oh, look at that. Here it comes. Norfolk Southern. Finally. Seatbelt. No, I already got it. I didn't even expect the train to come earlier than I think. I need to get set up before this train ends. And it's with that train like that train, Norfolk Southern, some mixed trains of NS, Norfolk Southern Power, is usually a really long train. Like something like over 600 axles. Look, it's got the outer axle. Gonna check the lights as soon as this train ends. Right. Yeah, it's an M457. Or Q650. Blood Space train. Ow, my hand. There we go. Right. There it is. That train's gone. Train's gone already. Yep. Now I'm gonna put my tripod back to the swing set. And then we'll be all set. Gonna get like a couple more trains. Right now it's just all red lights. It used to be a flashing orange, but now it's just all red. Since the train passed. Ow. Ow. No! There we go. As you can see, my new shoes. Something going on here. I don't know what all this party like crowd is. Or is it not a party like crowd? Oh, yeah. I got something from a narrative text. And finally, we're all set. Finally, we're all set. Yep, we're all set. Here comes a train. Here it comes. Let's check. Let's check once. Let's check one more time before it comes. Here it comes. Last part. All right, folks, so now's our time to get out of here. So I'm wrapping up my stuff. Alright, now let's get the heck out of here. No, let's get the heck out of here. All right. All right, this is Glendale Park. All right. All right. This is Godzilla from Railfan Express. Out.